Hi guys, I'm Ajoke from Ido Cultures and Wears. Today I'll be taking you on peplum blouse. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to get new videos as soon as we upload. Thank you. And these are the measurements we'll be using today. Shoulder 16, our boy's point is 11, nipple to nipple 10, bust 42, and under bust is 37. Then from shoulder to the under bust is 15. Our shape and tummy 39, and the blouse measurement is 23. These are the measurements. From here I took 1 inches down. This is the line for the 1 inches, and this is from this line down to this place is 7 inches for the armhole measurements. Then this is our breast point, where we have breast point 11, and from shoulder to our under bust was 15. Then from the 15 we measure 3 inches down for the tummy, where to get our tummy and shape measurements. So from here I'll be taking my measurement from this line here. For our shoulder is 16. I'll be taking more than 16. This is 16 divided by 2, we have 8. But to be on a safer side, and because of the sewing measurement and others, I'll take like 9.5. 9.5. Later when sewing, we're going to trim out the excess. Then here is our bust points. And our nipple to nipple is 10. So we'll take 5. Here. Then this is our under bust. From the under bust we minus ½ inches from here. So we'll take 4.5. The same thing applicable here, the tummy side. So this is our center front. So now I'll join from the shoulder down to this part. This is our center front. So from here, because the bust was 42, so I'm going to take my distance to be 2 inches from the under bust. This under bust is very, very important. Very. I'll take my 2 inches also here. 2 inches. And then connect this way. Then from here, these are going to form the bust. Bust is going to come like C, a curve. Take it here. There's a trick I do. From here also I'll take 2 inches just the way I took down to get where. So I'll connect this way to meet about 2 inches. So this is so these are my posts. So I'm going to cut it out. I've finished cutting out the center piece, the center front piece, and this is, I said this is my underboss. I'm going to notch it to know where the underboss is. It's a trick, notching it, because anything you do, you must not miss the underboss. Very, very important part. So I'll take the center front this way, place it here. Now to get our measurement, to take out our measurements for each. So here our underbust is 37 divided by 4, we have 9.2. So this is 9.2. Then I'm adding extra allowance. I'm adding extra 3 inches allowance to it. Some add 2, but I always add 3 because I know women will always increase and reduce. So here also my bust measurement, my bust is 40, the bust is 42, divide by 4 is 10 and a half. Is 10 and a half. 10 and a half. I'm also adding 3 inches allowance. So this is it. Then for the tummy, we have 39. 39 divided by 4. So dividing that by 4. This 39 divided by 4. I have 19 and a half divided 19 and a half divided by 2. There's 7 9.7. Is it plus 3 inches allowance. So now I'm going to connect. Going to connect this because this place I'm cutting out. Now use this to cut the back also. cutting this out. So after trimming, this is what I have for the bust, and this is the center front. We're going to use this to cut the back also, but to cut the back for the zip, I'm adding extra 2 inches allowance for our zip, for the zip measurement. So I'm taking this accurately, the same line, and this way. And this is my pin to hold it so it won't shift. So it's not to shift. Same thing here. So just roll down my zip. Just this way. And for the back, we are hiding. Let me first of all cut, now you understand. I'm also going to notch my underbust. So the zip aspect, we're going to take 1/2 inches away from here to make our zip to rest at the back, so it will not be popping. When some people zip at the back, you see it that is kind of coming out. Just take this and then slant it from here so that the zip can relax at the back. I'm going to cut this off and then notch. Beginners. So if you are wondering, for beginners, if you are wondering what was this soft gum stain, I use it to gum our lining. Is the lining I'm going to use to cut out the fabric. So I'm going to hold this, then this for the back. Just have to be careful with this. You're not going to cut because our back doesn't have bust, so we're not going to cut the bust with it. Just take it this way and then use it to trim, to trace the rest. Same way. So I'll just take this bust inside this way. And then cut. Not to cut first that you placed on it. So there's it. This for the back, and this is the front. So I'm going to use this to cut my fabric. Then for the padding, we'll wait for a new video to learn more on how to pad your peplum blouse. Then I'm going to show you how to cut a peplum now. A peplum, this is my fabric. This is 1.5 yard folded into 4. For my peplum to have a standing, to make it to be able to stand, I'm still going to gum paper gum to it, then add crinoline S. But now I'm going to show you on how to cut the peplum. And my peplum is going to have pleatings, so I have to cut them out to be plenty. I'm going to take like 11 inches from up down here, 11. I'll measure the same way, 11. Then at the center of the fabric, I'll take my 11 inches. So now I'm going to connect this. Connect this to meet this. So there's it. And now I'll measure what we have. That's the total here, like this way, like this, like this, this way, here, here. So I'm having like 18 inches. 18 times 4 is about 36 plus 36. That's like 36, 72. So I'm having 72 here. So I'll have more than enough pleating, and the waist, the tummy is 39. So I'll have as many fabric to play with for my pleating. Then I'm going to take 10 inches down, because I said my blouse length is 23. So my peplum, so for my peplum, cut my peplum, I'm going to take 10 here, 10 also here, and 10 also here. But I'm adding 1 inches extra allowance. So here I don't have anything here for my sewing. Here 1 inches my sewing allowance. So now I'm going to connect just. I'm using free hand in case if you don't have to. So So you need not to bother. You can as well use your hand to connect. If you know you're not going to get it this way, you can as well measure. Just take it from here, your 10 inches. So this for the peplum. I'll finish cutting it out. So you just cut one part this way out. So that's it. I'm going to use this to cut out the fabric. So this is it. I've used my lining to cut out the fabric. So this is it. What is left is for me to start padding. Same thing here. What is left for me now is to pad with ST. This ST gum. I'm going to use this to pad it, but you wait for the next video on how to pad a blouse. Very soon I'll upload a video on how to pad a blouse. So thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our video to get new videos as soon as we upload new videos. Thank you.